All right, I think we're back. That stream went down. How's everyone? Not missed much, anyways. I think we should be all right. We are back. Hmm. Yeah, maybe not, guys. Maybe, yeah, this is really collapsing. SPX. SC SPY. Damn. Yeah, I think I'll be waiting for 625s on the gamma as a potential long setup down here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait for this thing to sell off. Let's move this. Move this. All right. Yep. I like that level. I really like that level, guys. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back, yeah. Not really missed much, but look at where NQ is now rejecting from that previous day value area high. That's where it's rejecting from. Hopefully we can get a pullback. Just going to be patient. It looks like my camera is not synced up to the chart. Not sure why that's happening. Let me see if I can just adjust some settings here. Okay. Right. Just going to go back to normal on this. That should be better. I was streaming the camera on 4K. I think I don't think this software can handle 4K. But let me know. This screen should be a lot clearer now. You should be able to see this a bit clear. All right. Yeah. Because when I was replaying the streams, it was very blurry, very blurry. Yeah. The ATAS screen was really blurry. How about this one? Can you see? Can you see both? Switch this to a 5 minute. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, VWAP is way down there. Let's pull it anchored. Cool. Well, hey, look at that rejection. Previous day value area high. Bam. I really hope we can get this sell off into here and we can go long. That's going to be a really good setup if we get that. That could be a really good juicy setup, I think. I'm not sure what's going to happen. That's going to require a big sell off. So I'm not sure. See what's going on with X. Okay, let's have a look at this. Okay, so this is the South Korea exports year-over-year jumped in January historically versus US ISM PMIs. Okay, interesting. So this jumped and now the ISM jumped. that's yeah, this is a good chart. A really good chart. This is a Bloomberg terminal, by the way. This guy, whoever it is, posted that. Really, yeah, this looks pretty accurate. Let's see what's going on with silver. Where's silver? Yeah, silver's not getting the reaction, and neither is gold. Silver's still looking weak. If we look at this, this is the silver against a Bitcoin chart, and we've had a double bottom here. You can see that it's been in a bear market since January 2025, 1 year. It's down. Silver, Bitcoin is down 80%. Maybe that's the bottom now. So Bitcoin is down 80% compared to silver. And against gold as well. It's look at that bounce. That's beautiful, huh? That's the level I had marked as the golden pocket. Gold, Bitcoin is down 64% against gold, and now it's bouncing from here. So yeah, that's how it is right now. Okay, this is total 3. It's swept that October 10th low. You can see we had kind of similar thing here where we swept and then had a big move. So we could see the same thing, sweep and a big move up and then get the sell off. So that could be something. Could be something. NQ's still holding here. NQ's still holding. Not giving us anything. It's going again. It's yeah, it's gonna take these guys out now. All these new shorts I've just opened here. It looks like they're gonna squeeze them. VIX is on the floor right now. Look at the VIX. It's completely collapsed. Yeah, that news is big, man. That news is really big. That news is really, really big. Let me just check this. All right. Yeah, NQ's going for it. Let me just put this down here for you guys. Yeah. Yeah, NQ's going for another high. Man, this would be so nice if it just comes down here. I think that's the Asia high too. Let me see. 650s. Yeah, this is the Asia. That will be the Asia high too. Yeah. All right, small rejection. But yeah, we're gonna have to stay patient today, guys. We're gonna have to stay patient to see what's going on with Bitcoin. Yeah, it's ripping. Absolutely ripping right now, Bitcoin. That's a pretty big bounce. ETH is up 5%. Yeah, I was hoping for a sweep of this low as well on ETH. Didn't quite happen. And some of these coins are ripping. They're testing double bottom. Move to the upside. Okay. All right, NQ's getting a bit of a pullback here. Still can't get through the pre-stay value area high. Rejecting off it. Very heavily one-sided candle here. Minus 490 summer delta to the downside. Yeah, this is CBD is looking like you could get a possible tape shift. Tape is shifting bearish. It could. That's how it's looking, because this, you can see when we attempted to make that high, we got a lower high on the CVD. You see this here? This is a lower high. That tells me this trend is weakening to the upside now. So this could start shifting to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised to see a pretty large sell-off here. Yeah, I'm not jumping in anything right now. I'm waiting all the way down here, bro. All the way down here. That's the only... Yeah, I'm gonna love this. If this happens, comes down here, I'll be over the moon. I think that's gonna be present a really juicy opportunity. Yeah, you're overconfident. Yeah, you've hit some really good trades, so you're feeling good about it. I get that. Yeah, you're trading very lightly. Yeah, definitely do that. Yeah, I'll trade a funded. I'm gonna trade funded account here on this one. If it comes down, I don't know if it will. If it does, then that's what we're gonna do. Do we have any single prints? Yes. Oh, we have singles all the way down here. Beautiful. Yeah, that's an A plus setup, guys. Now, this is a lot of things are lining up here. This is what I call A. This is A plus. 80% pivot. That's an 80% pivot right here. It'll become even better if it happens at the same time at the zero gamma on QQQ. I'm not sure it will. I think this will probably end up coming a bit lower. But still, there's going to be hedging. There's going to be hedge pressure here. That gamma level probably lines up more towards these singles, which could get a nice reaction as well. So there's possible two trades here. These singles back up to point of control and then back down. So along from 800 to 860s, I think that could be like a possible long trade as well. Here, and then I would say that's a B setup, and it's a B setup, and then this is your A plus. Oh, this is a B plus if it happens at the same time as QQQ. If it happens at the same time as this, then it's a B plus setup. That's what I would say. But yeah, I may attempt a long here as well. From the 800s, I may attempt it. I just need a toilet break, guys. 1 second. All right. All right. Okay, so two possible long setups here. Let's get an order ready. I will probably look to take it. Oh yeah, Marcus, it's starting to rip again. Come on, man, come down. Give us something. Give us something, guys. Pull back off the point of control. I see the bears can push down. Give us a long trade setup. Let's go down. Go down. Go down. Not back up. Go down. Yo, Anthony. What's going on, bro? Nice to see you back. How's the trading going? Did you take any trades today? Oh, you took you said you took some you took that London one, didn't you? You locked in. Hell yeah, bro. What did you purchase? Apex, or did you go for more Traderify accounts? Yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm gonna do 10 or 20 Apex accounts. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, you're not trading NY. Yeah. What did you do? Did you go a Traderify? Yeah, straight to funded. How many have you got? I'm not gonna do 10, 20 accounts on Apex. I'm first gonna give it. I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna test it because I've heard some bad stuff about Apex. They deny payouts and stuff. So I don't want to have like 10 accounts and they're denied my payout. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna try like 2 or 3 accounts. I'll trade 2, 3 accounts, request a payout, see how it goes with that, and then I'll scale up from there. I don't want to be 10 accounts payout and then they deny it. I'll be fucking pissed. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. You're right about that. That's for sure. I could just, yeah, I can point them. I can point them to my YouTube channel, innit? Yeah. Yeah, that's a really good point actually. I could just say go watch my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. I'm live streaming every day, so yeah, that's a really good point actually. Okay. Come on, give us that dip to the 800s. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna get one off them. I'll apply for their affiliate program. I'm gonna get affiliate codes from all the prop firms, like the good ones, later. But first, I wanna build an audience large enough to make it worthwhile. So yeah, obviously those discounts are gonna be for people tuning in and watching the live stream. So yeah, let's see. All right, we're selling off. Like I said, I think there is a tape shift here um, for the bears. Goes a drop into the 800s. Let's go. Eight 30s. K Dog's on a mission, bro. He said he wants to bankrupt Apex. That's why he's on a mission to bankrupt Apex. Come on, let more push. Give me the 800 tap. Yeah. Get 20 Apex, 150k accounts. Come on, fucking bears, you suck. Look at that, Anthony, mate. Rejected off the previous day value area high. Right to the dollar. Nearly a, well, yeah, 100-point sell off from that level. Yeah, it's coming in. Come on, a little bit more. Fuck's sake. shit, man. I hate when it front runs my level, man. Look at this thing. I really hate when it front runs like that. No, I haven't. I didn't take anything. Oh, new 30-minute candle. Wow. It's 8 p.m. here already. Come on, come down. A little bit more. Come on, a bit more. Fuck's sake. Oh, this is a joke. Fucking hate front running. Come on, come down. Bulls are stepping in again. Bit of absorption there. Oh, they're strong. I don't think this is gonna go, is it? To my level. Doesn't want to. They're holding them. They're holding up the 830s. Bulls are strong. Really trying to protect this 820s, 830s. Alright, pushing down a bit now. Let's go. Go on. Push down. God's sake, man. Alright, they're taking them. I'm in here. That's right on gamma exposure. Let's see how it goes. Alright, nice reaction. Nice reaction so far. Looking for a move into the 870s for the take profit. Go Bulls. Go, go, go. Really weak selling at the lows here. So yeah, I think this has got good chance of hitting our TP here. That was a really weak selling at the lows there. Bit of exhaustion from the bears. Back up to the 830s. Go Bulls! Let's go! Keep going. Into the 840s. Against the 850s. 850s now. Almost at the 850s. Yep, 850s. Bulls stepping back in. Through the 850s. Go Bulls. Okay, past an apex evo with that. Looking for 870s as a take profit. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. All right. I still believe we'll get that top of 870s. So let's leave this going. Everything was lining up perfectly. That was, I would say I said B, didn't I? At the B plus at the start. I think that was an A. Not an A plus, not quite an A plus setup, but I think that was an A setup. ES, because ES was also at major support here at the LVN of a major volume profile here. You know, NQ was at the same thing. We hit the single prints exactly. That's where I got in. That was a really nice one, man. I would class that. I would grade that as an A. We get down here, that's an A plus. But yeah, that's successful. Now we wait. We wait for this one. And that's it. That's what we do here. That's how we trade, Anthony. You see, I told you, if you took my trades, you'd be passing those trader files in no time. I don't know if, I think K-Dog's probably left the building. Bitcoin's going crazy right now. You just got back, K-Dog. Yeah, I took it. You missed it, but we mapped it out, remember? I told you I'm gonna long here and long here. Yeah, I got it. Got the long. I was saying that was an A. That for me is an A. Not quite an A plus. Well, that's an A setup. I graded it a B right before. I said this is an A. The reason why I say that is we had QQQ hitting the same, hitting major gamma level. ES was also hitting LVN. Maybe this I could upgrade this at A plus when we look at the order flow. If we look at the order flow here, right? Look at the order flow. This sell off just got weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker. Look at this candle right here, 2.3k, then 2.2k, and we had exhaustion from the bears. This sell-off was really weak, and then the bull stepped in. So if you put all that together, yeah, you could upgrade that to an A plus setup. You could. I still give the pivot an A. I give the pivot an A. But if I combine it with the order flow, I'd say that, yeah, that would be an A plus. But pivot alone, that's an A setup. This pivot alone is an A plus. Then you need the order flow to confirm. This is an A plus. You could probably trade this without the order flow and still probably get this. This is this I would say has got an 80% bounce probability. 80%. Ripping now. All right, let's take her off. That was a 50 pointer. If you traded a 1 NQ trade, if you traded with a mini, that's a 50 pointer right there, right in front of you. Will this go make new highs? I don't know. So yeah, waited all day for that one trade there. 50 points. Got it. Missed this whole run up. Wasn't able to catch any of this. So we had to be really patient for this little pullback. You could call that a bull flag. And now we're moving to the upside. And we had plenty of reasons to get long here. I would love one here. I would love that. I really hope it does come down and give us this pivot, because that's an A plus pivot. I don't know if she's gonna come down. Maybe this just rips to new highs. But that's enough for me. I take that. I passed an apex eval with that trade. If you come down here, I'll load up another apex eval. Yeah, it's ripping now. There's the 870s that I was saying. This thing is on a tear, guys. It's on a tear now. Yeah, this is a monster, guys. This is no joke. These levels are no joke, guys. When you put everything, all that context together, yeah, these levels are magical, magical levels. Wow, that's amazing. 3.5k. That is fucking insane. How did you do that? How did you make 3.5k? That's insane. That's crazy. Well done though. From a long this morning. Wow. That is wild. Congratulations. You must have caught this long from the open, this monster move. Respect. That takes guts to trade the open like that. Yeah, well done. Well done. Bitcoin is ripping to the upside. That was a beautiful squeeze. It sure was. It sure was. Yeah, that was. That didn't look back, did it? It's crazy. Right from the moment it opened New York, it just went up 360 points. Man, that's crazy. Yeah, well done though. Well done. All right. Anyways, guys, caught one really beautiful long there with you guys live on stream. At least we got that, and we can clip it or a nice reel for later. But that was really good. That was really good. Really good setup. Maybe this goes and clear these equal highs here. I think it probably will. Probably will clear these equal highs, go up there and then come down, possibly. Or maybe sweep this previous day highs and then come down later. But yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for this. If I don't get this, there's no other setup for me for today. So yeah, I'm happy with that one and done for now. And I'll set my alert here. And yeah, if the market ends up selling off later, we'll revisit that. Yeah, we'll revisit that later. But now for me, this is the time I'm gonna go and make some dinner for myself. I'm very happy with today's performance, with the level of patience I showed for a 370 point move to the upside. Back in the days when I was first trading, this would have led to FOMO. I probably would have FOMO'd here, and then it would have dropped me out. That 50 point sell off, it would have dropped me out. That happened many times, chasing FOMO moves like that. But yeah, we stayed patient, wait for this pullback and got the move. All right. And yeah, beautiful day, beautiful start to the week. And yeah, man, thank you every one of you for tuning in. And yeah, let's crush it once more tomorrow. I'll see you guys same time. Peace.